We all acknowledge this legislation is a tremendous step forward. Why? Because it saves lives, saves money, and protects Medicare, makes Medicare stronger. We've traveled really a long ways to where we are. And tonight begins the last leg of this journey that we've been on now for some time.
This isn't just about an effort that went on over the last number of months or even the last year or so. This is an effort that's gone on for decades. Many of those who came before us have tried to achieve what we're on the cusp of doing, and that is achieving the kind of national health coverage that Americans have been long waiting for.
We are fortunate few to be here at this moment in the history of the United States of America. We can do so much good for so many people, that we can give American families across the board a fighting chance against insurance companies when they're turned down in their moment of greatest need, that we can extend the protection and peace of mind of health insurance coverage to the highest percentage of Americans in the history of our nation, that we can do this in a fiscally responsible way that starts to bring down the cost of health care in years to come so it's affordable for businesses and individuals, that we can make certain at the same time that we're going to reduce our deficit by dramatic amounts over this period of time, as the President challenged us to do.
This bill cuts costs to the federal government more than any single bill that's ever been passed. Over $500 billion of costs are cut. At the same time, we bring advantages to people who've been hurting in the insurance market, so the coverage is better and easier for them.
It is a team effort. We're all pulling together. And what's not to like about this bill? I mean, when you look at this bill, number one, we cover more people. We make insurance more affordable. We take away and a lot of the abuses in the insurance companies with a lot of the reforms that we have. We reduce the deficit. So as far as I can see, this is a great victory for the American people.
So the math is pretty inexorable. $127 billion reduction in the deficit, 94% coverage of people equals 60 votes. And we're going to get there.
Now, many of you know I speak sign language. And there's one sign that I think not only defines this moment, but also is going to define what's going to happen in the next month. It's a very simple sign. You've all seen it before. It's like this. It's victory. And that's what we're going to have with health care.